The Weir Overflow Rate interactive calculator determines overflow rates, weir lengths, and other critical parameters for wastewater clarifier design. Let's look at the inputs. First, select your calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate overflow rate, calculate required weir length, calculate maximum flow rate, calculate tank diameter for circular clarifiers, calculate rate per unit length, or calculate weir efficiency factor. I'm using calculate overflow rate. Choose your flow rate unit, cubic meters per second, MGD, liters per second, or cubic meters per day. I'm using cubic meters per second. Select length unit, meters or feet. I'm using meters. Pick your Weir unit, cubic meters per meter per day, or gallons per day per foot. I'm using cubic meters per meter per day. Finally, choose diameter unit, meters or feet. I'm using meters. Now enter your values. Flow rate Q, 10. Weir length, L, 10. Target overflow rate. Weir, 10. Tank diameter D, 10. Actual flow rate, 10. Design flow rate, 10. After clicking calculate, the primary result shows 86,400 cubic meters per meter per day. The status indicates high review design, suggesting this overflow rate exceeds typical design standards. The secondary value converts to 1,166,215 gallons per day per foot. Additional info shows the total flow as 864,000 cubic meters per day. This calculator helps engineers verify clarifier weir loading rates meet design criteria. Find the link in the description below.